So today guys, magagawa tayo kasi bumili kami ng malaking salmon. Tapos ito yung mga bits na natira dun sa head at saka sa bones. So hinimay-himay ko lang. Tinanggal ko lang siya sa bones. Tapos gagawin natin siyang parang fishball, parang ganon. Fishball or torta na parang ganon. Okay, so salmon, tas carrot, onion, garlic, and parsley. Okay? And then, salt and pepper and magic sarap lalagyan natin. Okay? And then, ilalagyan natin siya ng flour and egg. And then, gagawin natin, i-fry natin. So, yan. So, lalagyan natin siya ng garlic powder. Okay? So, yan, hinimay-himay ko lang. Make sure there's no bones. So, black pepper, lagyan lang natin siya. Yan, ano-anahan lang natin. Tansya-tansya. Okay. Lagyan natin ng salt. And we're gonna put some magic sarap. And we're gonna put some lemon too para hindi siya masyado malan. Then, just put us all in there, okay? That's it. Put everything. And then, you just mix it, okay? Mix it. Put a bit of lemon juice, just a bit. Let's put a bit of liquid seasoning on it. So we're gonna put some corn flour, okay? So we're gonna put 2 eggs on it, okay? There you go. You just make it into a bowl. Finished product, guys. Now, what we can do as well is can do like a salmon spring rolls. You know, just salmon spring rolls. Alright, and how to wrap it? Put it forward. And then roll a bit more. Then fold the sides. Then fold the other side. And then fold. Then roll, and then roll. And then get some water, dip it in there. You can get water or egg whites, but I prefer to use just the water. And then roll it more. And that's it. And there you go.